into the kitchen. Bossy, listen, come here. And I used to think it's punishment, you know. She'd make me stand in the kitchen and watch her. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's TemiTalkz here. If you don't know me, hi and nice to meet you. Thank you for clicking onto this video. If you know me, thank you for coming back again. Today I'm going to do a get to know me tag because I haven't really done that. I've been hiding for about 9 videos, but today I'm going to show my face as per requested by some people that I've showed my videos to. So I just thought this would be a good time during quarantine where I've got a little bit of free time to just let you guys know who I am. So I've gone into my Snapchat and requested for my Snapchat viewers to ask some questions. But first of all, before I get into it, I just like to say this is a positive channel, PVO, positive vibes only channel. None of that negative stuff. I don't want any negative stuff. If you don't like the video, just go. Vamos. Just go.
Get right here, man.
Enter the door and leave.
Enter the door and leave. Close the door when you leave, you know. If you don't like the video, don't press dislike. Don't dislike this video. Make sure you like it. In fact, pause it now. Subscribe, like, even comment and say I've liked it. I will like your comment too if you like my own video. Thanks. So I'm gonna get right into the video. And if you see that I'm looking down at my phone. I'm looking at my phone because I've got the questions on my phone. I'm going to insert some clips as well. The first question is, when did you learn to start cooking? I was around 9, 10. When I was younger, my mom used to make me stand in the kitchen. She would call me like this. I'm gonna cut out my name in it because you ain't gotta know what my other name is, innit? Gaps. She would call me, come into the kitchen. Bossy, listen, come.
Bossy, listen,
Come here. And I used to think it's punishment, you know. She'd make me stand in the kitchen and watch her. She wouldn't tell me what to do. She'd just make me stand there. And I never used to enjoy it. But when I started to cook, you know, I started to enjoy it. I never knew that I was learning. And what we don't understand is that a lot of us are visual learners. Someone doesn't even talk to you. Just show your image and put something, you know, and associate something with the image. You will learn. Yeah, that's when I started to learn how to cook. Will you be making more videos on how to make certain dishes? Yeah, I will. So before I post this video, I'm gonna have quite a few videos I've posted out before. And this is a question for you, whoever asked this. What certain dishes do you want to see? You know. When did you realize, and what made you realize you'd like to take cooking seriously? Yeah, I'd say my mom taught me most of the things that I know, and I've sort of made alternative versions and things like that. I'll also say, like, people. From when I was younger, when I was in secondary school, I started tutorials on YouTube where I would post videos, and the videos that I posted were basically little tutorials on Snapchat of me cooking step by step, just for fun. And then people started asking me, what seasoning do you use to make this? How do you cook this? How long do you make this? Why don't you start a YouTube channel? So from there, that's what made me take cooking more seriously. And also the fact that people were taking a liking into my cooking videos without actually having tasted my food. And I kind of think, wow, I must really know how to cook for you to take interest in what I'm cooking without even tasting it, you understand? And then the testimonials I got when people did actually taste my food. So it balances together. There's no gap between the picture and the actual service delivery. You get me? Got to put business in there. Got to put a little bit of service management in there. You get me? My business management people will know what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's why I started taking it seriously, and also because I enjoy it. I love cooking. It's therapeutic. It makes me happy. You know, as you can see, it's made my cheeks happy as well. A bit too happy. When are you opening a restaurant? We're gonna go to the next question. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is navy blue. Blue. I love blue. All shades of blue, but I love navy especially. I don't know why. Just beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, waste this cute. Yeah, waste this cute. That's how I feel about blue. Do you go to university? If so, what do you study? I study business management. I'm in my 3rd year. So my graduation is going to be postponed, you know. 3rd year quarantine. It came at the wrong time. I'm literally about to graduate. I don't even know if I'm graduating again. Like, if it's going to be virtual, it's going to be in person. I don't know. How old are you?
21.
21. I'm 21 years of age. Yes. 21. I know I've got a baby face, but I'm 21. I'm not going to show you any proof or identification. Believe it or don't believe it. It's annoying. A lot of people say, oh, you look like you're 15, you look like you're 16. What country are you from? I am from Nigeria. I am Yoruba. Can you speak Yoruba? Shemoliso Yoruba and Moliso. Dear. Small, you get me? I understand Yoruba. So yeah. Yeah, that's really it. And thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. As I said before, this is a positive vibe only channel. If you don't like the video, leave, please. Just go. Don't spread your negativity and dislike the video. Don't even try it. Don't press it. Make sure you press like, you know. I'm watching you. Better like this video, you know. Better like this video. I'm watching, you know, like the video. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. And I'll be back with another video shortly. Q&A video, and I'll be back in the next shot. My days, I keep saying why am I laughing? I don't even know why I'm laughing. Oh God. I think someone called me. Let me call them. Call them back.
Hello.
Hey.
You alright?
Yeah, what about you?
Yeah, I'm good. I was able to send you a voicemail.
Pardon?
I thought I meant to send you a photo at the end when you didn't pick up.
Oh, sorry. I think my phone was in my room. Ooh, damn. Sorry. Yeah. Oh my days, I'm so stupid. Cause I'm trying to film a video, yeah, like of me, like myself, my face, everything, like a get to know me video.
Okay. Yeah.
And I put the camera too high. If you see how I'm trying to like make shift to get the camera high enough so you can, like, what do you even say in the get to know me videos? But are you good? Look at me just rambling on.
Yeah.
This lockdown is mad. You see, he's making me move mad. Oh my days.
Do you know what's really funny? The reason why I'm calling you, like, I'm literally dying. That's my friend called me, right?
Yeah.
And we're just talking. And then
Wait, shall I turn off the camera? Hold on, let me turn off the camera because you're on speaker.
No.
My age, who I am, etc. Blah 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 blah. My days, I keep saying.